Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are going to be talking about the Hexagon cock ring by the Boners collection. So let's get started. So this is the Hexagon cock ring itself. And you can enjoy a harder and longer lasting erection, intense orgasms and extra stimulation with this Hexagon cock ring. It's made of a soft silicone material, so it's very soft and smooth to the touch and will feel amazing on your skin during use. It's also very stretchy, the perfect fit, and features steel balls all around the cock ring just here, which provides even more stimulation. Simply place the ring around the base of the penis when the penis is flaccid, and when you have an erection, the ring restricts blood flow, which provides a harder, longer lasting erection, as well as intense orgasms. Now, when using this Hexagon cock ring, we recommend that you use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean your cock ring after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Hexagon cock ring by the Boners collection. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.